Cost accounting is a fast growing and comprehensive term. It is a specialized branch of accounting. The present age is the age of competition, hence, cost accounting is used to describe the principles, techniques, and system to be employed in a business. Today, it is not only enough to prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet for a business at the end of certain period. It is also important to ascertain the cost of items produced time to time. On this basis, costing is a technique by which price of the product can be easily determined and there is proper control over three elements of cost: material, labor, and overheads. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost. This process begins with recording of income and expenditure and ends with preparation of statistical data. It is a mechanism by which cost of product is ascertained and controlled. It is an art of determining the cost. Cost accounting generally includes cost control, cost determination of product, unit cost, and profit and loss for various products. It is also deals with inventory valuation. Cost accounting in India. In 1944, the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants was registered in India as a company limited by guarantee. Its prime aim was to impart training in cost accounting through examination. The company used to conduct examination and award certificates to successful candidates. Realizing the need and importance of cost accounting in India, amendment in Companies Act was made in 1965, authorizing the Government of India to issue order to make maintenance of cost accounts compulsory for a company engaged in any industry notified in that order. The Act further empowered the Government of India to issue order to get the cost accounts of such company audited. Under this authority, the government has made compulsory the maintenance of cost accounts in many industries. According to Section 128 was added in the Companies Act 2013 and maintenance of cost records become mandatory since then. This section prescribed maintenance of cost record by certain class of companies engaged in processing, manufacturing and mining so that proper records relating to utilization of material, labor and other expenses of cost should be controlled, which would make efficiency audit and cost audit possible. After independence, there was a rapid industrial development in India because of new industrial policies of government. Several new units were established in various industries. These units had a compete with each other and therefore an urgent need to expert cost accountants. In order to satisfy this need, Cost and Works Accountant Act was passed in 1959, under which the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India was established as an autonomous institute with its headquarters in Kolkata. Now it is known as the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICAI. It is the only institution of national level in India that prepares expert cost accountants. Realizing the importance of cost accounting, many amendments were made in the Companies Act 2013. The Government of India has made compulsory the maintenance of cost accounts in many industries.